For the polynomial function f, the graph of y equals to f of x in the xy plane passes through the points negative 5, 0, 1, 0, and 4, 0. Which of the following must be a factor of f of x? In the given answer choices, we have to find the one which must be a factor of f of x. Okay, let's consider the 3 points given over here. In all the 3 points, the y-coordinate is 0. Since the y-coordinate is 0, these 3 points represent x-intercepts of the graph of the polynomial function f of x. From the given x-intercepts over here, we'll be able to get the factors of the polynomial function f of x. Okay, let's consider the x-coordinate of the 3 x-intercepts over here. In the first x-intercept, the x-coordinate is negative 5, that is x equals to negative 5. In the second one, we have x equals to 1. In the third one, we have x equals to 4. Now, in all these three equations, we have to make the right side 0. Okay, now let me make the right side 0 in the first one. For that, we have to add 5 to both sides of the equation. Here, this negative 5, positive 5 will cancel out. I'm getting x positive 5 equals to 0. Let me subtract a 1 from both sides over here in the second one. Then I'm getting x negative 1 equals to 0. Let me subtract a 4 from both sides of the third equation. Positive 4, negative 4 will cancel. I'm getting x negative 4 equals to 0. Here, in all these three equations, we have 0 on the right side. Now, this x positive 5, x negative 1, x negative 4 are the three factors of the given polynomial function f of x. Okay, in the given answer choices, we find this x negative 1 in answer choice C. So, this x negative 1 must be a factor of f of x. The correct answer choice for this question is C.